Hello, I'm John Stainsby. In this lesson, we're going to show how to configure a tenancy with OCI Resource Manager. Instead of configuring your tenancy manually, you can use the Data Science Service template, which is pre-configured in Oracle Resource Manager. This template will automatically create the required user groups, dynamic groups, and policies for a basic use case. The Data Science Service template creates a user group with a name you define, a dynamic group with a name you define and the following matching rules for resource types: data science notebook session, data science model deployment, and data science job run. It also creates a policy with a name you define and the following statements to allow your user group to manage data science family in your compartment, to allow the dynamic group to manage data science family of resources in your compartment, to allow your user group to read metrics in your compartment, and to allow the dynamic group to use log content in your compartment. We will demo this at the end of the lesson. Let's run through the general process of running the Oracle Resource Manager, or ORM stack for short. Firstly, create the stack, then select your template. Next, select your compartment and run the stack. Finally, add users to your user groups. Remember, templates are only available on the console, and you can always edit your stack later. As we've discussed, you can configure your tenancy with the Resource Manager using a predefined data science sample solution, but that's not the only option. You can also use your Terraform script located at this public GitHub repo. Now I'm going to show configuring a tenancy with OCI Resource Manager. Navigate to Resource Manager and then click Stacks. Click Create Stack, select Template as your origin, and select Template. From here, I'll go to Service and choose Data Science, then click Select Template. From here, I can scroll down and choose the compartment that I want to use for my data science resources, and click Next. There are some additional variables I can complete if I choose. Click Next to move through the wizard. And then finally, I want to run Apply on my stack immediately. Click Create. And wait for this job to run. After running the stack, all you need to do is add your users to the user group that this configuration creates. You can also access the Terraform script at this public Git repo. To wrap up, we discussed automatic configuration and the data science service template. We talked about the resources that the template creates, like user groups, dynamic groups, and policies. We covered the steps to run the ORM stack and where to access the Terraform script on the public GitHub repo. Thank you.